Ever feel that little jolt of panic when you have to order coffee in English? You know exactly what you want, but the right words just don't seem to come out. Maybe you're worried about your pronunciation, or you aren't sure how to ask for that special drink. Trust me, that feeling is super common, but it's also really easy to fix. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the podcast.
That's right. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Max. We're so glad you could join us today.
Today, we're tackling a situation that can be a little stressful for English learners: ordering at a cafe. In the next few minutes, we're going to turn that hesitation into pure confidence. We'll walk through every single part of a cafe conversation, so the next time you order, you'll do it with a smile. We're going to cover everything from greeting the barista and creating custom drinks to making small talk and paying. By the end of this video, you'll have all the phrases you need to walk into any coffee shop and order exactly what you want, just like a native speaker.
First things first, walking up to that counter. It all starts with a simple, friendly greeting. A warm hello just makes every interaction better. You can simply say, hello, hi, good morning.
The barista will greet you back and then ask what you'd like. You'll probably hear something like, "What can I get for you? What can I get started for you today? What would you like?" Or maybe just, "Who's next?"
Now it's your turn. The most natural and polite ways to start your order are with the phrases, "Can I get a?" or "I'd like a." Honestly, both are perfect choices. "Can I get" is a little more informal and super common in the US, while "I'd like" is a universally polite and clear way to say what you want. You could also use "could I have" to sound extra polite.
Let's look at a few simple examples. Can I get a latte, please? I'd like a black coffee, please. Could I have a cappuccino, please? See that little word "please" at the end? It's small, but it makes a huge difference and keeps things friendly.
Now let's hear these phrases in a quick dialogue. Dialogue 1. A simple order. Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hello, can I get a medium latte, please?
Of course. Anything else for you?
No, that's everything. Thank you. See? Simple as that. A friendly greeting, a clear order, and a polite sign-off.
Ready to practice? Repeat these key phrases after me. I'll leave a little pause for you to speak. Repeat. Can I get a latte, please? Repeat. I'd like a black coffee, please. Repeat. That's everything. Thank you.
Great job! You've already mastered the most important part of ordering.
Okay, but what if you like your coffee a specific way? That's where customizing your order comes in. It might sound complicated, but it's really just about adding details one step at a time.
First up, size. Most cafes will have small, medium, and large. Some big chains might use their own special names like tall, grande, or venti. Remember, grande usually means medium and venti means large. You just add the size before the drink name. Can I get a large Americano?
Next, temperature. Simple enough. Do you want it hot or iced? I'd like an iced vanilla latte.
Then we've got milk. Lots of cafes now have non-dairy milks. The common ones are oat milk, almond milk, and soy milk. You can always ask, Do you have non-dairy milk? To add it to your order, just say, with oat milk, please. Can I get a cappuccino with oat milk, please?
Finally, let's talk flavors and sweeteners. Maybe you want to add a syrup like vanilla or caramel, or you need to say if you want sugar. You can say something like, could I get a latte with a pump of vanilla syrup? I'd like a coffee with 2 sugars, please. Or if you like it less sweet, you can ask for half sweet or no sugar.
Now, let's put it all together in one super detailed order. We'll build it step by step. Start with the basics. Can I get a latte? Add the size. Can I get a large latte? Add the temperature. Can I get a large iced latte? Add the flavor. Can I get a large iced vanilla latte? And finally, the milk. Can I get a large iced vanilla latte with almond milk, please?
It might seem like a mouthful, but each part is really simple. Let's listen to a dialogue with a custom order. Dialogue 2. A custom order.
Hi, welcome. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a large iced caramel latte, please?
Sure. And what kind of milk would you like with that? We have oat and almond as alternatives.
I'll take oat milk, please. And could I get an extra shot of espresso in that?
You got it. So that's a large iced caramel latte with oat milk and an extra shot. Will that be all?
Yes, that's all. Thanks. Let's practice those extra phrases. Repeat after me. With oat milk, please. Can I get an extra shot? I'll take it iced, please.
Fantastic! You're now ready to order even the trickiest drink on the menu.
A coffee shop is more than just a place to grab a drink. It's a social spot. A little bit of small talk makes the whole experience nicer and is awesome practice for your English.
You can make simple small talk with the barista. It doesn't need to be a long conversation. Short, friendly comments are perfect. For example, how's your day going? Wow, it's really busy in here today. If they have a name tag, using their name is a great touch. Thanks, Sarah.
Meeting a friend at a cafe is also a classic situation. Here are some phrases you might use. When your friend gets there, hey, you made it. How have you been? Chatting about your orders. What are you getting? Or how do you take your coffee? Just catching up. How was your weekend? Or do you have any plans for today?
Let's listen to a longer chat between 2 friends meeting for coffee. Dialogue 3. Friends at a cafe. Hi, Maria. I'm so glad you could make it. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. It's so good to see you. This place is nice. What are you going to order?
I'm thinking of just a simple black coffee. I really need it to wake me up. What about you?
I think I'll try one of their specials. Ooh, a vanilla latte sounds good. I like my coffee a little sweeter.
Hello. What can I get for you both?
Hi, can I have one large black coffee, please? And I'd like a medium iced vanilla latte with oat milk, please.
Of course. Will that be all for you today?
Yes, that's everything. Thank you.
So, how has your week been? You mentioned you were busy at work.
It's been hectic, but I'm glad it's almost a weekend. Do you have anything fun planned?
Not much, just relaxing. Maybe I'll go for a hike if the weather is nice. This kind of natural conversation is exactly what you'd hear in a real cafe. flowing smoothly from ordering to catching up.
By the way, if you're finding this lesson helpful, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It lets us know you enjoy this style of learning and helps us make more videos just for you.
All right, you've ordered, you've chatted, and now it's time to wrap things up. The barista might have a couple more questions for you.
A really common one is for here or to go. This just means, are you planning to drink your coffee in the cafe for here or take it with you to go? Your answer is easy. For here, please. To go, please.
The barista will then tell you the total. That'll be $5.40, please. You might need to ask about how to pay. You can ask, can I pay by card? Do you take contactless?
Finally, a lot of cafes will ask for your name so they can call it out when your drink is ready. Can I get a name for the order? It's Alex. If your name is a little tricky to spell, it's really helpful to just spell it out for them. It's spelled Alex.
Let's listen to one last short dialogue covering this part. Dialogue 4. Paying and leaving.
Okay, so that's one small cappuccino. Will that be for here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. Your total is $4.20. Can I get a name for the order?
It's Chloe.
Great, thanks. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Thank you.
Cappuccino for Chloe.
That's me. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Simple, polite, and you're on your way. You now know every single step.
Okay, are you ready to put it all together? We're going to listen to one full continuous conversation with everything we've learned. The first time through, just listen.
Then we'll play it again with pauses, and that's your turn to repeat each line and practice. Listen to the full conversation. Hi there. How can I help you?
Hi, can I get a large iced Americano, please?
Absolutely. Would you like any room for milk?
No, thank you. Just black is perfect.
Got it. And for you?
I'm not sure. What are your specials today?
We have a caramel fudge latte and a peppermint mocha.
Ooh, the caramel fudge latte sounds delicious. Can I get that with oat milk, please?
Great choice. What size for you?
A medium, please.
So that's one large iced Americano and one medium caramel fudge latte with oat milk. Will there be anything else?
Yes, could we also get a chocolate chip cookie to share?
Of course. Is that all for you?
Yes, that's everything.
Okay. Will that be for here or to go?
For here, please.
Your total comes to $12.75. Can I get a name?
It's Laura. Laura.
Thanks, Laura. We'll have that out for you in just a moment.
Thank you.
You did it! You have now learned and practiced a complete cafe conversation in English. We went over everything from that first hello to ordering a tricky custom drink, making small talk, and paying.
Here's a quick recap of the most important phrases. To order, can I get a, or I'd like a, with oat milk, iced, or with an extra shot. To answer key questions. For here, please, or to go, please. Never forget please and thank you.
The most important thing to remember is that confidence comes from practice. Every single time you speak English is a chance to get better. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're just part of learning. The next time you walk into a coffee shop, take a deep breath, smile, and remember the phrases from today. You've got this.
So, what's your favorite coffee order? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to read about what you like to drink.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to keep improving your daily English, be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos, like our lesson on English for the supermarket. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.